try their food. First try the noodles. I got my noodles hard and it's really good. It's perfect. We also got green onions. Also mixed in the meatball, but for the pork or for the topping, for the pork you can choose either shoulder or belly. I got belly. It's a massive chunk of braised pork belly, so tender and delicious. I also got extra garlic with it. Well, I also got the level 3 spiciness. The broth is really good. For me, the level 3 spiciness is actually not that spicy. But I have a pretty high spice tolerance. But overall, it's delicious. The noodles is cooked the way I like it. The pork is braised perfectly, it's so tender. And the broth is very flavorful. And the good thing about the ramen here at Ramen Nagi is you can customize it the way you like it. But overall, the Red King ramen is really good.